Hey there, this is Becky. I'm just providing you a quick little reminder tutorial about how to publish a website and make sure it shows up in the website navigation. To do that, it's just a few little simple steps. Go to your website browser and we are going to log into the development site as a user. So library-dev-uncc.edu/user and then hit enter. And here, let's log in with your NinerNet credentials. And now here, I'm going to select Manage. And you may, and then we're going to look at these options. You may not have quite so many options, but I recommend you go to Groups. In most of your sites, it's going to be Content in the first button, and then Groups will be the second button. So these are the groups to which you are you have access to add pages, etc. And so I'm going to go to one of my groups, which is under under our organization. So I'm going to click on that. And this is just the larger umbrella for our organization. And I'm looking for the strategic plan page, which is one of the pages that I am an editor for. So I'm going to select Notes. And then Strategic Plan is a page that was already created through some earlier work. So I'm going to select that. And then we've already created our content. And up here, if your site is not yet published, or if your page is not yet published, you need to publish it. You just select here in this menu bar, you select Publish. And it's good to go. But I want to make sure that it's going to show up properly in the site navigation. So I'm going to go to Edit. And then down here, you remember this page is Strategic Plan. That's the title that I gave it. And then the URL alias, I just use that same web page title and put it here at the bottom of the page under URL alias. And then over here on the right side of the page, you go to Menu Settings and you select Provide a Menu Link. Click that box. It's going to be called Menu Plan or Strategic Plan. And then a few lines down under Parent Item, we want to indicate in the web page where this strategic plan page is going to fall. So click the downward arrow and you can see here are all the pages in the website, and I'm looking for About, and then the next level is Our Organization, and then the level or the page after that is Strategic Plan. So oops, went a little too far. So here's About, Our Organization, and I want it to fall under Our Organization. So I click that, and then I just selected Generate Automatic URL Alias. You don't really need to do anything with that, but just go ahead and click that, and then go down to the bottom of the page and select Save. And now if I want to see what it looks like in the live site, not this development site, I can open up a new browser and just type in library.dev.uncc.edu. And let's see, we said we were putting it under About in Our Organization. And you can see over in the left-hand navigation, here's About. That's the top of our structure, Our Organization, and then Strategic Plan. And there it is.